Hi everyone, wishing you all a very happy new year. And upcoming is for the Capricorns. Let's see how does 2025 now have in store for you. And it's going to be a great year for you with a lot of great changes coming your way and a lot more breathers your way. I'm Sharon S. Marja. Thank you for staying connected with my channel. Do not forget to hit the bell button, like, share, and subscribe for a lot more in store. So we look at each and every area of yours. We'll start with your careers for you Capricorns. So, it's been like a very rough year over the last 2 years. You've had a lot of ups and downs and you feel the struggles. And that's only because Saturn has been testing you for the last 2 years. And now Saturn is going to give you all the benefits that you have been looking forward for. Okay. You've been going to be reaping a lot of good now this year. So let's say the year starts slowly, but with a great progress. Okay, for all of you, we look at your careers first. From the career perspective, okay, you're going to be getting a lot of job promotions and you will be getting those raises and hikes that you have been waiting for. Also, for those of you who are looking to change, your jobs, you're looking for a good opportunity, you will be getting a very good job opportunity coming your way. Do not forget to check all the details. The job may call for a lot of relocation. It may be calling, for something that's far away, something that may need a relocation. It needs a lot of travel, but it will help you in the long run and it will definitely help you to improve your finances. So even people for on the business front, okay? So for people on the business, it is a year that calls for a lot of traveling. It calls a lot of movement for you. And yes, it brings in gains as well. So you will see your financial stability increasing from the months of March and April. Now, like I said, Saturn is now giving you the fruit of all your hard work. So now when Saturn gives you the good part of it and starts giving you a lot of money, starts bringing you the financial stability you've been waiting for, it's time for you to even respect that and calculate that well. So, and I'm talking about now your finances, okay? So your career ties into your finances and how you treat that well. So it is a time now for you to look at investments. So this year, investments, savings, long-term planning plays a very vital role for you Capricorns, especially from the months of April and May onwards. So as an advice, look for, financial planning or growth, which is a long-term progress and a long-term gain. Take financial advice and invest in something that is long-term. You may get these offers, right? Which, they tell you that you'll double your income or you'll get income, which is happening in a very short span. So none of these short span investments or profit is going to help you in any way. So do not look at that, okay? You need to stay away from such negative influences, okay? And secondly, yes, it is a word of precaution as well to stay away from negative people or crowds around you. There could be politics happening, in the office front. There could be politics happening in your business front, but you need to keep yourself very positive this year. Okay. Now, as a tip, remember you become 90% of the top five people that you associate yourself with. So keep five good, positive, and progressive people around you to keep that progression on for the entire year. Okay, stay away from negativity and only focus on your own growth and your own good for this year. Okay, you've had enough of struggles. Okay, let's get out of that now. Now, moving on to the next front of yours is your health perspective. So, from a health perspective, okay, we do see that you will start having some allergies which develop. Okay, it could be maybe around Feb March time. You have some skin allergies which may develop. It could also be an allergy related to certain foods that you consume, and you need to just have that checked. Now, when we're talking about the food, the stomach area even calls for some precaution. You have some digestion issues which may come up, some abdominal issues which may come up. Do not forget, do not neglect your health. You have a lot to do this year. There's a lot of hard work this year that is required. So please do take care of your health. From your relationship perspective, since there's a lot of hard work, like I said, you need to give in a lot more hours in the beginning of the year. You may be away from home and family, but that will pay off when the year ends, on a nice, good note. You will definitely reap the harvest of all that you have put in for 2025. And it's important to maintain that focus as well. And yes, for all you students who had asked, 2025 is a great year for studies and anything you want to take up as an advancement. So people giving the competitive exams, okay? So maybe even if you're giving your 10th, you're giving your 12th, you have your college exams coming up, it is a great time for you. You will be very successful. But remember, don't take it for granted. You will be successful if you actually make that action plan. Your advice this year is consistency as a student. So you need to have fixed number of hours, be it 2 hours, be it 4 hours, but you need to have that time chalked out on a daily basis. Okay, your word of precaution is you need to study on a daily basis to achieve those great numbers and you'll come out in flying colors. Okay, even for people on the career front, if there is a certain course that you want to take up, there is certain and higher education you want to complete, there is a professional thing or a professional course that you want to take up, okay, you can take that up this year. Any competitive exams that you've been looking to complete, definitely take it up. Okay, it's a great year for learning and for progress as well. You Capricorns will be very successful in any competitive exams that you give this year. Okay, and now looking at the remedies for you that you could do this year. This year you can do some donations, especially on full moons. Do donations of clothes. If there's something you want to donate, donate some clothes to the poor, to the needy, and especially if you're in a cold place, you can donate some blankets. Do not even forget to feed the animals. Like I say, feed the birds. Something simple. You can feed the dogs as well. Okay. Give donations of sweets as and when you can. Okay. Spread some sweets. Spread some good. Just a little bit here and there. It will make a lot of difference to you. Okay. And definitely share this with family and friends. Work on your good, work on the good for the rest and for the community around you. Practice a little bit of meditation this year. Give time for prayer and meditation. You need that alignment, you need that connection with yourself, okay, and take out time for that. That definitely makes a lot of difference, and this year calls for that as well. Okay, so take a time for spirituality, take a time for your health, take a time for your gains and your investments. And yeah, that just reminds me, on your gains and your investments, there's another great tip for you uh, for your financial stability and to improve that area of your life this year. Get small piece of silver, wrap that in a red cloth or in a small little red pouch, and keep that in your wallet. And that is definitely going to close a lot of financial issues and that will increase your stability. Try it out this year. Trust your ability to excel in everything that you do. And 2025 will turn out to be a great year for all you Capricorns, okay? So take care, keep the faith. Wishing you all a very blessed, very prosperous, and very healthy 2025. Do not forget to share this. Take care. Bye bye.